Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am.
It's nice to see Nikita and Pratiksha having joined the class, even after finishing their maths annual exam at school. Very nice. Good evening, children. Yeah, good evening. Yes, please take down this question. If A, B, C are all non-zero, please write the question. If A, B, C are all non-zero numbers, so non-zero meaning they're not zero. If A, B, C are all non-zero numbers, A plus B plus C, the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 0. A, B, C, the value of A is not 0. The value of B is not 0. The value of C is not 0. But A plus B plus C is 0. See, the numbers can be like this, right? So A can be 7, B can be 5, and C can be minus 12. So A, B, C individually, their values is not equal to 0. A is not 0, B is not 0, C is not 0. But there is some 7 plus 5 minus 12 is 0. Is 0. So that's what is given to us. If A, B, C are all non-zero numbers, that means A, the value of A is not 0, the value of B is not 0, the value of C is not 0. They're non-zero values. But A plus B plus C is 0. So given this, find the value of A square by BC plus B square by AC plus C square by AB. Yes, 3 minutes time for this one. Am I audible and clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what is that you've done first? How have you started this?
I don't know if my answer is correct, but I have an idea.
Yeah, tell me.
What if we multiply A by A into A by in A square by BC, ma'am? So that if we rationalize the denominator, we get as A cube plus B cube plus C cube by ABC, ma'am.
No, it's not rationalizing the denominator because the denominators are already, meaning you cannot see You do not know the values. You don't see a square root or a cube root symbol in the denominators. It's not about rationalizing the denominators. What is that you said? Multiply what?
For a square by bc, we have to multiply into a by a. So we get a cube by abc. For b square by ac, like that.
Very good. Very good. Yes, that's correct. Multiplying the first term. Multiply and divide. So you're saying this. A square by bc into a divided by a. So it's like you're multiplying by 1. It's like you're multiplying by 1. Am I writing your idea correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
You're right. Oh, sorry, into. So I think you're multiplying by 1. Okay. So then this becomes a cubed by ABC plus B cubed by ABC, C cubed by ABC. So that becomes A cube plus C cube, B cube plus C cube divided by 3, ABC. Next.
In this, we have an identity states that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, ma'am.
Correct. Correct. So it's given that a plus b plus c is 0, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So here we get a cubed by abc plus b cubed by abc plus c cubed by abc. So this is nothing but a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed divided by abc. And as you rightly mentioned the identity, if a plus b plus c is 0, if a plus b plus c is 0, this is given to us in the question. A plus b plus c is 0 is given to us. So if a plus b plus c is 0, then the value of a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to 3abc, is equal to 3abc. So you can replace the numerator. See, in the numerator, we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This can be replaced with 3abc. Because the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So 3abc by abc. abc gets cancelled. So the value of the given expression is 3. The value of the given expression is 3. So the expression has 3 terms. The expression has 3 terms. We multiply each of the terms by 1. That's the effect, right? When you multiply by A, B by B, C by C, it's like you're multiplying by 1. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we multiply the first term by 1, the second term by 1, the third term by 1. So 1 meaning A by A, B by B, C by C. So that gives us A cubed by ABC plus B cubed by ABC plus C cubed by ABC. Common denominator ABC. And this is what we have in the numerator, A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Now there is an identity. If A plus B plus C is 0, then the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. So in the numerator, we have A cube plus B cube plus C cube. You can replace that with 3ABC. So 3ABC by ABC. cancels 3. You can also so we have a square by bc plus b square by ac plus c square by ab. You can also start by taking the LCM. The LCM of BC, AC and AB is ABC. The common denominator, BC, AC and AB, the common denominator is ABC. So we have BC here. So you'll have to multiply the numerator with A. We have BC in the denominator, LCM. Just like LCM, how do we work with the common denominator? So we have BC here. So multiply the numerator with A. A square into A is A square into A. We need to multiply this by A. Plus, there's AC here in the denominator, but it's ABC. So we need to multiply B square with B. Similarly, there's AB here, but there's ABC here. So we need to multiply C square with C. LCM. So that also will give us the same thing. A cube plus B cube plus C. Simply by taking the common denominator. ABC is the common denominator. That will give us A cube plus B cube plus C cube by ABC. But this one, by the identity A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC because A plus B plus C is 0 is given to us. Is this expression a polynomial? Please work and give your comment. Is this expression a polynomial? Yes, children, is the expression a polynomial?
I think it is a polynomial.
Okay, it is a polynomial.
Ma'am, things of polynomial, ma'am.
Okay, good. So we have RM, Vasudevan, Nikita, Sangamitra, and Shreyas. All right. Yeah, tell me, how is it a polynomial? How do you define what is a polynomial? An algebraic expression in
Ma'am,
which
ma'am, I
very
think
yeah,
it's not polynomial, ma'am. And like there is a root, ma'am, in the answer. So,
correct. But did you simplify, Ara?
ma'am,
So whenever the expression can be simplified, we need to simplify and then comment if it is a polynomial or not. Did you simplify?
ma'am, I got 2x to the power 9 by 2 by root x, ma'am.
No. Okay, I'll work it. Just see if you understand. Anyone else wants to share if it's a polynomial or not?
I think it's a polynomial.
So what does your simplification work to?
Ma'am, I multiplied into root of x by root of x.
Yeah, tell me. Okay, let me work it and see if I'm right. So children, this is the expression we have. This is what we have. And going down to 8th standard, this is how we used to divide. Division by a monomial. Recall how we divide. This is not a monomial. This is just one term here. I'm not calling root x a monomial. I'm not calling root x a monomial, but I'm saying recall how we divide by a monomial. So this is what we do. No, we divide every term in the numerator. We divide every term in the numerator by the denominator. We divide every term. This is how we simplify the expression here. We divide every term in the numerator by the denominator. And we know that root x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. This is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. This is x to the power 1 by 2. X to the power 1 by 2. All right, remember that, x to the power 1 by 2. So 4x to the power. Now we know by the law of indices or exponents that when bases are same and it's division, we subtract the power. So 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, because root x is x to the power 1 by 2. Bases are same, x, and it's division. So we subtract the powers. X to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Children, root x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. Root x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. So in the denominator, we have x to the power 1 by 2. So base are same, it's division, subtract the powers. 5 minus 1, 4, 4 by 2 is 2. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 2 is 1. Plus x to the power half minus half, x to the power 0, which is 1. Half minus half is 0, and x to the power 0 is 1. So the given expression on simplifying, see, we always simplify. We see now, supposing you're given, root of say 225. Just because there's a square root symbol, you will not call square root of 225 an irrational number. Square root of 225 is not irrational. Just because of the presence of the square root symbol, you cannot call square root of 225 an irrational number. You simplify. So the value of square root of 225 is 15, and 15 is 15 by 1, p by q, rational number. In the same way, here, if you have to decide if it's an algebraic, if it is just an algebraic expression or a polynomial, you need to simplify. Simplification can happen only if it is possible. So here it is possible. See, if you had to comment a root of 19 is rational or irrational. Square root of 19 cannot be simplified further. You cannot, the value of square root of 19 is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, and hence it's an irrational number. While square root of 225 is 15, 15 is 15 by 1, p by q, rational number. So if simplification is possible, you do it. So here it is possible. You can divide like this, and that gives you this expression. On simplifying, you have this expression. And here you see that the variable x is raised to a power which is a whole number everywhere. The criteria for an algebraic expression to be a polynomial. What is the criteria for an algebraic expression to qualify to be a polynomial? The variable everywhere in the expression, the variable should be raised to a whole number as power. The power should be a whole number everywhere. An algebraic expression in which the variables involved have non-negative integral powers is a polynomial. An algebraic expression in which the variables involved have non-negative integral powers. The meaning of this phrase is that the powers must be whole numbers. X is raised to the, look at only the variable. The variable here is x. X is raised to the power 2. 2 is a whole number. And again, in the second term, you see x. It's raised to the power 1. It's a whole number. So the power here, the power of the variable here is 2, whole number. The power of the variable here is 1, which is a whole number. So the variable x is raised to power 2 and power 1, both of which are whole numbers. So the given expression is a polynomial. So this one is also a polynomial. This expression is also a polynomial. See, we are not bothered about root 5. We are not bothered about the coefficient of x. We are not bothered about the coefficient of the variable. We are bothered about the power of the variable. We are concerned about the power of the variable, not its coefficient. Not its coefficient. The coefficient of x is root 5. That's fine. The coefficient of x can be anything. The coefficient of y square is 3 or minus 3. That's fine. What is the power of x? 1. Is it a whole number? Yes. What is the power of the variable y? 2. Is it a whole number? Yes. So both the variables x and y are raised to whole numbers as their powers. And hence the given expression is a polynomial. To simplify, we need to first simplify and then comment. On simplifying, this is what we get.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Variable power, whole number, polynomial. Yeah, factorize the given expression and find its value when x is 1, y is 2, and z is minus 1. The given expression fits into which identity?
Ma'am, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to ma'am 3xy plus 3yz plus 3xz, ma'am.
No, Arab, you're confused? No. Yes, class.
A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to A plus B plus C the whole square.
Yeah, right. So there are 6 terms here with 3 perfect squares, So this is the identity: A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to A plus B plus C the whole square. So let's rewrite the given expression in this format: A square, B square, C square, 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. So A square, 3x the whole square, B square, Y the whole square, C square, Z the whole square, plus 2AB plus 2 into A, which is 3x. Now, before that, you can see that this term 6xy and 6xz, where x is common, have a minus sign. Minus 6xy, see here, minus xy, xz, x is common. So fix a minus sign to the x term here, or fix a minus sign to the y and z terms. Two terms here, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Of these 3 terms, 2 terms are negative. Minus 6xy, minus 6xz. xy, xz, what is common? X is common. X is common. So fix a minus sign to the x term, or fix minus sign to the remaining 2 terms, the y and z term. Either you can fix x is common, xy, xz, x is common. You can fix a minus sign to the x term, or leave the x term to the remaining 2 terms, y and z. So supposing you do it like this, then it will be 2 into 2ab, 2 into a into b, plus 2 into b into c, plus 2 into c into a. You can check here. 2 3s are 6, 6xy minus 6xy, minus 6xy. 2yz plus 2yz, minus into minus plus 2yz. See, when you multiply these terms, you will see that you will get minus 6xy plus 2yz and minus 6xz. So the given expression is of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So upon factorizing, we see that the factors are a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. That is a plus b plus c the whole square. This is a plus, this is b plus, this is c, the whole square. The whole square, which can also be written as 3x minus y minus z the whole square. So first present the given expression in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Present it in that form and find the values of a, b and c. A is 3x, b is minus y, c is minus z. Present it in that form and get the values of a, b and c. A is 3x, B is minus y, and C is minus z. A plus B plus C the whole square. So 3x minus y minus z the whole square. Now find its value when x is 1, y is 2, and z is minus 1. So substitute. 3 into 1, 3, minus 2, minus into minus plus 1 the whole square. So be 1 plus 1, 2, 2 the whole square, which is 4. Done, children? Yeah. So what's the value of z plus 1 by z? Because you need to find not z plus 1 by z, z minus 1 by z. We need to find the value of z minus 1 by z in order to find the value of z cubed minus 1 by z cubed. Children, please answer if you're able to try or not able to recall. Kindly let me know. The first thing is you'll have to find the value of z minus 1 by z. Only with the help of that value can you find the value of z cubed minus 1 by z cubed. Am I alone in the meeting? No, I'm not alone.
Ma'am, I'm unable to get.
Not able to get it, is it? Okay. Fine. Expand this, Shreyas. What is z minus 1 by z the whole square? The first thing we need to understand is to find the value of this one, we need the value of z minus 1 by z. Z minus 1 by z. Now, why are we writing z minus 1 by z the whole square? You will understand now. What is z minus 1 by z the whole square? How do you expand this?
It's z square plus 1 by z square minus 2 into z into 1 by z.
So it will be 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is z minus 1 by z the whole square again? Is equal to what's the value of this one? 14, right? 14
Yes,
minus 2, which is 12. So the value of z minus 1 by z is equal to square root of 12. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now z minus 1 by z is equal to square root of 12. Cube this on both the sides. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides, what do we get? Z minus 1 by z, the whole cube is equal to root 12, the whole cube. Expand z minus 1 by z, the whole cube. A minus b, the whole cube is equal to a cubed minus b cubed minus 3ab into a minus b. A cubed minus b cubed minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to what is root 12 the whole cubed? Root 12 into root 12 into root 12. Root 12 into
Ma'am,
root
it's
12.
12 root 12.
12 root 12, correct, 12 root 12. Now here substitute. Z cubed that gets cancelled, minus 3 into what's the value of z minus 1 by z?
12, ma'am.
Root 12 is equal to 12 root 12. 12 root 12, sorry, here. So now transpose. Z cubed minus 1 by z cubed is equal to minus 3 root 12 on the other side plus 3 root 12. So 12 root 12 plus 3 root 12, which is nothing but 15 root 12. 15 root 12. So to find the value of z cubed minus 1 by z cubed, we need the value of z minus 1 by z. And to get the value of z minus 1 by z, we just square it. And we square it and expand it. So when you do that, you can find the value of z minus 1 by z, which is root 12. Please write down. Excuse me. Hope all of you have completed this. No response. All right. Yeah, this is your next question. Do this. Excuse me. Yeah, what's the value of a plus b plus c? Only if you find the value of a plus b plus c can you find the value of a plus b plus c the whole cubed.
17.
17. Very good. The value of a plus b plus c is 17. And a plus b plus c the whole cube is 17 cubed. Very good. So again, we have to make use of this identity. So in this identity, we have three expressions. We have a plus b plus c, we have a square plus b square plus c square, and we have ab plus bc plus ca. We have three expressions, a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square, and ab plus bc plus ca. Of these three expressions, we know the values of two of them. We know the value of a square plus b square plus c square. We know the value of this expression and this expression. So of the three expressions, we know the values of two of them. So you can easily find the third one. You can find the value of the third expression, a plus b plus c, which is 17. Simply substituting the values. 289, a plus b plus c, the whole square is 289. So a plus b plus c is square root of 289, 17. So a plus b plus c, the whole cubed will be 17 cubed, which is 4,913. Finish writing this one, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please try this, children. I'll just get back. This is simple one, children. How do you factorize 2x squared minus 8? How do you factorize? You need to factorize to find the possible dimensions.
2 into x square minus 4. So it
Yeah.
will be 2 into x square minus 2 square.
Yeah.
2 into x plus 2 into x minus 2.
Very good. So this is how we factorize the expression 2x squared minus 8. So if say this is the length and this is the breadth, this can be the height, or if this is the length, this is the breadth, this is the height. So any one, you can just say let the length is 2 units, breadth x plus 2 units, and height x minus 2 units. One of its possible dimensions. Anything, assume you can say let the length may be x minus 2 units, breadth x plus 2 units, and height 2 units. We have three expressions there, 2, x plus 2, and x minus 2. Assign them to L, B, and H. That's it. Okay. I hope all of you have completed. Can I clear the slide? Okay, no response. Next one. It's 6 or 7, children. Question number 6 or 7. Please tell me if it is 6 or 7.
Or 7th one.
Okay. Find A and B if x square minus 4 is a factor of ax to the power 4 plus 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus bx minus 4, and hence factorize it completely. Once you get the values of a and b, use it in the polynomial given ax to the power 4. So fix the value of a, whatever you get, and there bx, use the value of b, and factorize the given polynomial completely. Yeah, first tell me the two equations. Start working. Can anyone share the equations you've got? X square minus 4 is a factor. On factorizing x square minus 4, you get x plus 2 and x minus 2. So that means x plus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. X minus 2 is also a factor of the given polynomial. So these two cases will give you two equations. What are the two equations?
B is equal to 8a minus B is equal to 8a.
B is equal to, come again, Sangamitra.
B is equal to 8a
Okay.
and minus B is equal to 8a.
These are the two equations you're getting, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, but I have something else. 1 minute. Let me see if I've written the question correctly. X square minus 4 is a factor of ax to the power 4 plus 2x cubed plus bx minus 4. The first one again, Madhumita, the second one is incorrect. The first one again, b is equal to 8a or minus 8a? You said b is 8a or b is equal to 8a or minus 8a?
The first one is B is equal to 8a, ma'am.
One b is equal to 8a. Then the second one?
Minus B is equal to 8a.
Both of them look incorrect. No, both of them are incorrect. Maybe some calculation error somewhere. Please check. Class, use the emoji. Raise your hand. Vasudevan, Arav, Nikita, Sangamitra. Shreyas, are you there? Okay, you're there. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, fine.
Is the first equation B is equal to 8a minus 16.
B is equal to 8a minus 16. Yeah, this is correct. Yes. B is equal to 8a minus 16. The next one. What about the others?
I'm getting the same answer for the case too. Minus b is equal to 80.
Oh, okay. Minus b is equal to 8a. I thought you said b is equal to 8a earlier.
That was for the first equation. The second equation I said minus b is equal to 80.
Okay, minus b is equal to 8a. Yeah, that's right. That's correct. Yeah, now solve the two equations and tell me the values of a and b. Class. What about the others? Yeah, you can see the answer there. Question number 13. Question number 13, you can see the answer there.
What is the value of a1 and b is minus 8?
Yeah, A1 and B8. A1, B is it 8? Please check the sign. 8 or minus
minus
8? Yeah, the value of A is 1 and the value of B is minus 8. Correct. Please go ahead. Use the values of A and B in P of X and factorize it completely. What would you do, Sangamitra? How will you factorize the polynomial completely? What is the procedure?
Substitute the values of a and b. So
Okay.
with that equation, by trial and error method, we assign signs, or we already have two factors given, so we can directly use a long division method to find the rest.
Correct. That's what you should do. Correct. We already have a quadratic factor, x square minus 4. So divide p of x by x square minus 4. So that will give you a quadratic quotient. Factorize the quadratic quotient to find the remaining two factors. Correct. Question number 13, children. Please work the answer. 13. The steps are there. You don't understand something, you can ask me. You need to first factorize x square minus 4. So on solving, sorry, on solving the two equations, we get A is 1 and B is -8. And you can see we use the values of A and B in the polynomial, ax to the power 4. So 1x to the power 4. And B is -8 plus bx -8x. So the polynomial p of x is a biquadratic polynomial. X squared minus 4 is already given to be a quadratic factor. So divide the quotient will give you the other two factors. Done, children? This is over. Okay. Yeah, take the 12th question, children. Please take the 12th question. The polynomials bx cubed plus 3x squared minus 3, that one. Question number 12. You can only see that question on the screen. Please take that question. Yeah, what's the expression for R1?
64b plus 55 is equal to R1.
64 plus 64b plus?
45.
Yeah, right. R1 is 64b plus 45, right. Have you got the expression for R2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is it?
108 plus b.
Perfect, 108 plus b. So you have to use these expressions in the given condition. Are you working or you got the value of b?
Working, ma'am.
Yeah, please finish. Yeah, what's the value of B?
1 minute.
Yeah. Okay, since it's time, I need to show the answer.
Getting the value in fractions.
Yeah, it is a fraction.
18 by 127.
Correct. The value of B is 18 by 127. Correct. You can see here the value of R1 is 64B plus 45. The value of R2 is 108 plus B. Use these values in the equation 2R1 minus R2 is equal to 0 because that's the condition given. Find the value of B if 2R1 minus R2 is 0. So find the expressions for R1 and R2. Substitute in this equation 2R1 minus R2 is 0. So find R1, find R2. Find the expression for R1, expression for R2. Substitute in this equation and find the value of B. Arav, have you got your final examination timetable?
Ma'am, not yet, ma'am.
Okay. Because all schools are finishing by.
Ma'am, for us, they told it will mostly start on March 14, ma'am, but timetable not given, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Vasudevan, Arav, Sangamitra, and Shreyas. All right. Finish writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now you have to ask me. Whatever you don't understand, please ask me. Okay, I hope all of you have completed writing. With the other questions in this material, you can just take a screenshot. You can just go through. It's worked.
Can you show the previous one?
Sure. 12 and 13 we just did. All right, children. That's it for today's session. Thank you, children. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Children. Thank you, children. Good night.